Hi everyone, Susanna Anderson here from the Are They All Yours blog at StephenAndersonFamily.com. Today we're going to draw the winners for the ancient wheat giveaway that I hosted on the blog. I've got my little assistant here, Chloe. Chloe, say hi.
Hi.
Alright, Chloe's going to be drawing the prizes. These are all the entries for the proofing basket set. I forgot to mention, this proofing basket set was actually sponsored by my friend Karen Rodriguez. Her YouTube channel is Our Home, OURHOME. So if you haven't subscribed there yet, check out her content. She has some wonderful videos from Mom of 6. These are all the entries for the proofing basket giveaway. Chloe, can you pick one? Pick one. Take one out. Just one. All right, thank you. We're going to read it. Kara Michelle on April 11, 2018 at 9:52 a.m. said, "Number 2, please. I subscribed to your YouTube channel and I shared this post on Facebook as well." Okay, she drew an alternate winner. I'm going to put this aside in case Kara Michelle does not respond. I will not announce who the other person is, just so there's no disappointments. Okay, I'm going to dump this. That we can reuse the basket. We're going to put the book ones in now. So these entries, whoops, one just went over the corner. I better grab that. All right, you wait. All right, so this is now for the book, the Wheat Belly book. All right, now? Yeah, for that. Can you pick another? Go grab one more. Give mommy one. Just pick one. One. Give me one. All right, give me one. Can you give me one? Give one to mommy. That one? All right. Let's see who she drew. All right, so she drew here Viry Only on April 9, 2018 at 10:41 p.m. Wheat Belly. And then Chloe here drew an alternate in case of Viry. I might be pronouncing that wrong. V-I-R-Y. In case she does not respond, we already have the second winner here for the Wheat Belly book. So, thank you so much for all who played along. Chloe, say bye-bye.
Bye.
So, to claim your prize, please leave a comment, either on this video, on YouTube, or on the blog itself. Your comment should contain your address, where you want your gift mailed to. I will not publish the comment. The comments are moderated both on YouTube and on my blog, so you don't have to worry about anybody besides me seeing your address. Simply just respond either on the video or on the blog with your address, and I will mail it to you. Thank you. See you soon. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.